So, I'm making a game, and to do this, I'm going to need some combat. But things for this video went horribly wrong. So last time, I made the animations for the player's attack, but I never actually made it do anything. So let's fix that. But first, I have to give a huge thank you to Mr. Taft Creates for his great tutorial on a top-down Zelda-like game. To make them do something, we're going to have to get rid of them. All I have to do is disable them in the inspector, then open the animation tab for each of the directions that I want the player to attack in. Once here, I enable the hitbox on the first frame of the animation, then go to the final frame and disable it again. This will make it so that during the animation, the hitbox will be present throughout. And once the animation ends, the hitbox will return to being disabled. After this, I had quite a lot of problems, but one thing I didn't have any problems with was creating the enemy spawn system. Now, before in all my videos, you just had the 5 slimes that just started there at the beginning of the game. But I didn't really want this, so what I did was created a enemy spawn system. Basically, I turned all the enemies that I had in the game into prefabs. Then, using ChatGPT, yeah, AI, got a script that would randomly choose one of the 5 prefabs to spawn in, and it would do this at a random time between 5 and 15 seconds. From there, it would be up to the slime to decide where it moved and what it did. I also made it so that the slimes could kill the player, but this caused a lot of problems with the combat. I also made a death scene with a play again button so you can launch back into the game. Now, here come the problems. First problem is that when the player tries to kill an enemy, it instead kills them. Now, I don't know why this happens, as I tried debugging it and it turned out fine. My current theory is that this happens as a result of the hitboxes being a child of the player. The enemies have code in them that tell them to destroy anything with the tag player. Now, the hitboxes don't have that tag. In fact, they have a tag called kill. For some reason, the slime sees this tag as irrelevant and just decides to kill the player anyway. This issue may have been caused by the hitboxes overlapping with the player hitbox. But when I changed this to make them not overlap, instead, Unity just completely froze, and I have no idea why it might do this. Now, as for why I don't have my original combat in the game, basically, it would take way too long, and I don't have the time. But I'm thinking, as I develop the game further, this could be a fun mini-game for the player to try and do. Maybe just see how many slimes they can kill in a certain time frame, or before they themselves die. In the full game, it wouldn't have the regular combat system that I want. That would make the combat system tedious and annoying, and wouldn't really fit in with the minigame. With all these issues, it's really annoying that this means that I probably won't be able to get a demo out for you anytime soon. But when I do get it all working, you'll be able to see that happen right here on this channel. So, next time, I want to go through what I've done on this project so far, as well as what I plan to do for the project going forward and in the industry as well. And thank you for watching.